Hello everyone, this is my first entry on this channel and I would like to start with a Heuer Aquaracer Calibre 5 WAY201a automatic watch unboxing. It is an entry-level Swiss-made luxury dive watch. Without further ado, this is the box with the original packaging. Here we go. A beautiful 43mm black dial and black bezel Aquaracer with stainless steel bracelet. Comes with a manual and 2 years international warranty. Now let us have a brief review of the watch itself. As you can see, it is a ceramic bezel and sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment. 43mm size may seem a bit chunky, but I feel it is suitable for my wrist. Screw down crown with Heuer logo. The case is fine brushed and polished steel. The case back engraved with the signature old style dive helmet. Also other information such as water resistant at 300 meters. Unidirectional bezel with 120 clicks. I really like the sound and turning of the bezel as it is very smooth. I feel that this bezel's rotation is as good as any other high-end luxury watches. Oops, overshot by one click, but never mind. I'll adjust it again later. Now, let's see the crown. The second hand stops once the crown is fully pulled. The sweeping movement is quite smooth. It is a mechanical movement, and I really haven't worn this yet. So I believe it requires some action on the wrist. So let's get to that. Yes, it does require some action on the wrist. The bracelet is a fold-over clasp. Here you go. A nice smooth Calibre 5 movement, which I believe is using ETA 2824-2 with 25 jewel bearings. The color combination is very nice for the bezel against the dial. Heuer engraved on the deployment clasp. One more here. And a diving extension, which I believe is about 2 cm. Alright, so now let's put it again. Okay, yeah, it's quite easy. I have a 7-inch wrist, so I believe 43mm case size with 12mm thickness sits quite well on my wrist. It is estimated about 36 hours power reserve. A date window with Cyclops is a nice touch for me. I believe it's definitely worth saving up for a year to get this entry-level luxury watch, in my opinion. Retail at $2,650 US. Let's see the rotation of the bezel again, and I can adjust back accurately this time. I'll try to make another review video after wearing this for 2 to 3 months, and hopefully I can also confirm about the accuracy. Thank you so much for sparing your time on this video. Appreciate if you can subscribe to this channel, like, and leave your comment. Have a good day and see you next time. As a bonus, I would like to end this clip showing this beautiful watch loom. Stay safe and take care.